everybody, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of some knives and just a couple surge protectors that I got from Walmart made by GE. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright, let's get some of these things unboxed. Oh, it's gonna be like that. Okay. What's this one? It's really light. It's definitely, it feels aluminum. The blade is fairly sharp. Got a little plastic cover on the tip. They're alright. They're not as sharp as I would like it. It is quite light. It's that one. They do this for each one, huh? If you guys want to see the information that I gave about these knives in particular, I'll put a card up here to that video. Okay, whatever reason the camera cut out, I was unboxing these knives, the Gerber knives. I got this one, it got to this one, I didn't even get it out of the box and the camera cut off for some reason. But that's pretty nice. This one actually is really nice. This whole piece right here is actually the lock. It's actually pretty sharp. I took this one out. It's really sharp. The handle I was talking about on this paraframe, the paraframe 2, the handle goes all the way up to about the Gerber symbol on this one. It's about a 5 or 6 inch handle with a 5-inch, 6-inch blade, something like that. It's a big, the paraframe 2 is a pretty big knife. I could be exaggerating. It might be a 5-inch handle and a 5-inch blade, or I don't remember. If I can find it, I will can compare it to this one. This one is actually going to my wife because she wanted this one. I started opening this. The Mossy oak says lifetime warranty for the knife, 8-pack, camouflage handle and a comfort handle, 8-pack field dress kit. It says Break Up Country Mossy Oak official licensed product. Okay, move this box out the way. Hopefully the camera actually stays on this time. Comes with a little business card thingy. Says Mossy Oak. All Mossy Oak products are backed with a lifetime. Okay, so it's the warranty card. Get this little cover off. Ooh, this is pretty. It's pretty beefy. So you can see there, it's got the, looks like Torx screws. It's really nice. It's got a pocket clip, fold lock. Here is the camouflage handle. Little safety for the tip. It's very sharp. It's the same. Take out the screws. Blade lock. These are pretty heavy. And then here's the blades. This is a This is a gut hook blade. This one is a clip point blade. This one is a black clip point. It's another clip point. So there is, says there is two, okay, so there is two gut hooks, one that's black, one that's silver. And then there is two silver clip points and two black clip points, which is pretty nice. Has little cases, it looks like, for the blades maybe. Yep. There's 3 cases, so 2 blades per case. You can always just put all of the blades in the same case if you chose. It's a nice little kit. That's it. There's this one right here. We're going to unbox this one real quick. Okay. Looks like the camera's staying on this time. Also a little sheath in the bottom, another warranty card. Move this box out of the way. Take this cover off. This one is like these two over here. You can actually take the blade off with the screws. This one is quite loose. We're going to have to tighten it. It's pretty sharp. So these basically look identical. They're just different colors and patterns. It's a little mossy oak flashlight. It is a single LED flashlight. Here's 3 extra blades. Here is the multi-tool. So it's got a screwdriver, a file, a knife, 2 different style, a serrated blade and a saw blade. Flathead, bottle opener, also another flathead you could use as a screwdriver if you chose. Needle nose. The needle nose are spring assisted. Got cutters, plier jaws, nice serrated tips for the needle nose. So this is actually a pretty nice multi-tool. And it does come with 3 AAA batteries. I'm assuming it's for the flashlight. I'm assuming this sheath is for the multi-tool. Maybe not. Yeah, it's got to be for the multi-tool because it wouldn't make any sense you'd put the knife in there. But the multi-tool does have really its own hook. So I'd assume you wouldn't have to put it in the sheath if you didn't want to. So, fits pretty nice. Got one of those little clear tubes that you put the batteries in, so I'm just going to pop these batteries in here. And it's got 2 O-rings. It's actually pretty bright. It's a nice little flashlight. I'm gonna pop these open real quick. So this is the 7+2. Little instruction packet. That's what it looks like. These actually turn. You can actually lock them out. And then I'm going to open one of the 10+2s so you guys can see it. +2s, they have this little plastic clear bar. It says protected. It will light up blue. If it's not, if the outlet plug is plugged into is not protected, it will actually light up red. It's got 2 USB ports in the center, and these, instead of turning like the other one, these actually slide. And a lock. On the other side it says ground. This side should light up green. It's grounded. So it's a nice unit. It's got 4 mounting holes on the back, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. The other one, I'm not going to unbox the other one, but let me know if you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.